want to share my story with you, what happened to me after I got COVID. I don't know if COVID had anything to do with it or not, but I started losing teeth, or I should say caps and bridges. And this is what I was left with. And then I was hit with a whopping $20,000 estimate to fix my teeth. And at age 81, I just didn't think it was a good investment. And then I came across Pop-On Veneers. And I tell you, it was a game changer. It's affordable, it's easy, and I'll tell you what. Look at the smile it gave me. I couldn't be happier. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers. I thank you very much.